All right. Action. We've seen some real-world wins from the tool that have directly impacted the business. There was an instance of a media strategist who used the chatbot to pull past targeting segments for a client that had performed really well, and they then highlighted this in a media plan, which won an additional $238,000 for the business. I'm Brian Herbert. I'm the Senior Director of Analytics at Kargo, which is an ad tech platform. The company's been around for 20 years, and we started offering mobile ads with the advent of the iPhone. And then after that, we moved into a lot of different ad markets such as display, CTV, social media networks, and really offering a holistic package. Snowflake is our core data platform. We primarily use it as our data warehouse for a lot of our analytical workloads. So for example, we'll use that to calculate reports for creative performance, creative optimization. We also do a lot of our data science work with the AI and ML platform. Our media strategy team at Kargo is responsible for building the media plans that all of our advertisers are then launched into the market. And they were having trouble figuring out where to pull client history data, such as what campaigns had been run in the past. And so they needed a centralized place to access all of that data. Originally, we had built them this massive dashboard that had a bunch of different tiles and basically had any piece of data that they could possibly imagine. But when we actually released it, we found that it was actually pretty difficult for the media strategists to find the information that they were looking for because of the vast amount of data that we had provided. We had seen success at Kargo with Snowflake Professional Services, and so as an analytics team, I reached out to see how they could help us. Once we realized that we needed some sort of conversational chatbot for BI, the first step that Professional Services took with us was helping us architecture the app. So what we eventually settled on was building a Streamlit application that leveraged Cortex Analyst and large language models to be able to take a natural language question from a user, use Cortex Analyst to generate a SQL query from that question, and then throw that into an LLM provided by Cortex and spit out a natural language answer, as well as the query that was used to generate it. And so what this really allowed us to do was not only give a natural language answer to a question from one of the media strategists, but it also allowed us to have an audit log to make sure that they were accurate in providing the right data to customers. And after using this tool, the media strategists have told us that they're not only getting their answers a lot faster, but the quality of the responses that they're sending to clients has increased dramatically. We at Kargo are really excited about the future that we have with Snowflake and Professional Services. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity that we can unlock in building new AI data products to generate new client revenue streams and also building tools that can help us gain internal efficiencies.